What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I'm on a roll. Anyways, so this is going to be super random because obviously I don't really talk about drama, and I know it's kind of last year, 2018, and we already in 2019, but you know what, that's okay. I'm going to talk about it anyways because it touched home for me. As you can see by the title, this is basically me talking about when everyone was talking about Cardi B and divorce and all that stuff, and talking about don't go back to him, don't do this, don't do that, and she had to go on in her little rants and stuff talking about, you know, this is my life and I need to do what I need to do for my family and blah blah blah. And I don't know, I don't keep up with the drama, I don't know what the stance is, but I just wanted to put my little 2 cents in because, as you guys know, or maybe you don't, if you have been following me for a year, even less than a year maybe, you guys know that I went through a divorce almost 5 years ago. It's coming on 5 years in May. And I just want to say, Cardi B, as much of a celebrity as she is still human. And I was in the same position as her when she was going through her stuff. I was about probably 6 months pregnant when I separated from my now ex-husband. And I got divorced shortly after she was born. She was about, I want to say like 5 or 6 months old. That was really hard. So all I can say is I don't wish divorce on anybody. Like, if you are going through stuff with your spouse, you're freshly married, you're freshly had a baby, it's a lot going on. She's in the public eye, he's in the public eye, they're both in the public eye, and you know, that's a lot more pressure. Like, obviously I'm not famous or anything, and all I had were like friends and family to have their own little input or whatever, but I got kind of irritated with people saying don't get back with him and don't do this and don't do that, when it's like honestly, let them live their life. If they decide to stay together, especially for that child, that's on them, that's up to them. If the situation is not harmful and it's not detrimental to the baby, to them physically, you know, like, some things you gotta push past. Yes, my choice was divorce, but mainly it was for a specific reason. It was for reasons of, it was habitual. It was not just once of being cheated on, it was multiple times. And you know, those kind of things take effect. If you can't change over the time period that we've given you to change, then it's not going to change. And I'm not going to stay in a situation where I'm continually getting hurt and then it's going to affect my child. If it's a one-time offense and you change and you prove that, then move on. Move past it. That's where I got annoyed. We don't know the situation to its fullest extent. We only know what is being shared. Yes, she is out and open and upfront with a lot of her information, but at the end of the day, she's not going to tell the world everything. I'm sorry, I just had to make this little video because I really did get irritated knowing that people were trying to tell them because he cheated, you don't need to get back with him and this and that. And it's like, half those people probably got back with some dude that cheated on them multiple times or lied to them, but because she's in the public eye, they feel they have the right to say something. And it's like, I'm sorry, but no, let them live their life. If she chooses to stay with him, that's her decision. If she chooses to leave, that's her decision. And that's all I wanted to say. Okay. I don't do drama, but I just had to put my 2 cents in because it really did bother me. It touched home for me. It hit a chord for me because I've been through it, and divorce is not easy. My divorce was very easy. It was like a one and done situation. But for someone like that, for someone like them, it's not that easy, especially when it comes to they're in the public eye, there's properties together, there's materials together. Like, it's not just a sign of paper and we're done. No, it doesn't work that way, and emotions are involved. If I could say anything for 2019, let's all just stay in our lane. If you have something to say, write it down in your own personal book. Stop writing it for everybody else to read. Do you, focus on you, make 2019 your year, and stop trying to be in everybody else's business. And I know I'm in the business right now, but it just really frustrated me, and the little information that I did know, I just had to share my little bit of thoughts. So that was it. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna leave it at that. But if you guys have any other video topics, ideas, thoughts, if you have thoughts on this whole topic and everything, please let me know in the comments down below. Thumbs up for this video since it is kind of random, but it was on my list of things to do, so here it is. And subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Alright, well, that's all for now. This is video 2 done and done in one day. I'm on a roll. Alright, love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.